Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to our class of AHA class. The Honorable our English lecturer Surweli Ardiansyah and all my beloved friends. Before I start my presentation today, let me introduce myself. My name is Aulia Khusnul Fitria. Today I would like to present my presentation about fact and opinion. Facts are something that can be proven to be true by event or things. The proof of fact usually use research formula, eyewitness, or even that did occur. Opinion. An opinion is a sentence or statement which has not or cannot be proven and is subjective. Opinions are usually the result of thought or feeling felt by the subject, not because of research or even that have occurred. Comparison card of fact versus opinion. Basic for comparison meaning. Fact refers to something that can be verified or proved to be true. Opinion refers to a judgment or belief about something based on in fact observation or research. In opinion, assumption or personal view. What is it? In a fact, objective reality. In opinion, subjective statement. Verification, in fact possible. In opinion, not possible. Represent, in fact something really happened. In opinion, a perception about something. Change, in fact universal. In opinion, differs from person to person. Word, in fact so with an base word. In opinion, expressed with a base word. It's debatable. In fact, no. In opinion, yes. Influence. Fact has the power to influence others. Opinion doesn't have the power to influence others. How do we distinguish between fact and opinion? One way to distinguish between fact and opinion is to look at the language used. Language helps us to decide whether a statement can be backed up with evidence and verified in some way, or it can help us show whether the statement is someone's point of view, judgment, or belief. Example of the language we use to express facts. This review has demonstrated, according to the result of the latest poll. The latest finding confirm research have recently discovered. Tip: look at the keyword used to express fact. Demonstrative according confirm discover. Example of the language we use to express opinion. The company claims that the research team argues that in Professor Donald's view, most experts in this field suspect that. Tips: look at the keyword used to express opinion, claims, argues, view, suspect. Note: facts and opinion can be manipulated. Opinion can be presented as facts simply by using the language of facts to present them. For example, recent statement made by the council confirms that most residents do not want a further expansion of the one-way system of trade. Although facts are expressed in the language in the above statement, there is very little evidence to back it up. May have made statement about increasing the number of one-way streets, but this doesn't mean the local residents were suffered and that their response were record in any way. How you will classify the following statement: fact or opinion? You are studying at university. You are studying at a good university. It's one of the best in London. Primary is a better university than Brunel and Bromfontein. Woodmark is the best cafe on the mill and campus. You are studying at university. You are reading material which is only available on Queen Mary in train 5. Therefore, you must be a student at Queen Mary. This statement is a fact. You are studying at a good university. We first need to qualify the term good before we can make a judgment about whether this is fact or opinion. Good is a very subjective term which could be interpreted in many different ways. For example, the research ratings are very high. The university offers a wide range of subjects and disciplines. The university is multicultural. It is the East End of London, or it is fit the needs of the person who made the statement. While this may at first seem to be a factual statement, given that we all know Queen Mary is a well-respected and high-achieving university, this could be an opinion if evidence has not been referred to before the statement was made. This would be an opinion. This could be either fact or opinion or possible even both. It depends on whether the statement is based on evidence or if it's an unsupported idea. That is, you will need liquid stable to verify this claim. It is one of the best in London. This could be either fact or opinion or possible even both. It depends on whether the statement is based on evidence or if it is an unsupported idea based on belief. You will need to statistics on all the universities in London to verify this claim and make it a fact. This will not be difficult to do. Mary is a better university than Brunel and Romson. This could be either fact or opinion or possible even both. It depends on whether the statement is based on evidence or if it is an unsupported idea based on a viewpoint or belief. You will need statements on all three universities to verify this claim. You will also need to qualify which area you are referring to. Are you talking about discipline, the course, the catering? Word of mouth is the best critic on the mail and campus. Whilst at first this refers to being our own opinion because it uses the superlative best, it could be a phrase. You will need to qualify what you mean by best, and then you will need to either verify this statement with statistics or with sudden opinion. Okay, I think enough of my presentation today. Hope it can increase our knowledge. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.